Hi Forex traders, you're welcome. This is Carrie's Trading Institute, and in today's episode of the lesson we're going to be learning about currency pairs and how to identify currency pairs in the Forex market. Okay, if you are coming to this channel for the first time, I'd like you to hit the subscription button and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you stay updated every time I post a video. I want you to learn Forex trading in 30 days, and yes, it's possible. Don't even say it's not possible. I can teach you how to trade the foreign exchange market in 30 days, and yes, it's free. All I want you to do is to subscribe to this channel and follow us so that you get to see what we are doing in these 30 days of the Learn FX in 30 days series. Okay, so in today's episode of the lesson, we're going to be learning about currency pairs. So what are currency pairs? First of all, currencies are traded through a broker or dealer and are traded in pairs. For example, the euro and the US dollar paired as euro USD, or the British pound and the Japanese yen are paired as GBP JPY. Okay, so when you trade in the Forex market, you actually buy or sell in currency pairs. No currency has the ability to exist in itself. It has to be paired with another currency of another country. That's the only time transaction or exchange is possible. I have to bring my euro, you have to bring your dollar. For us to do transaction, we either buy and sell to each other. Okay, so that's how currencies are actually paired to each other. Now imagine each currency pair constantly in a tug of war with each currency on its own side of the rope. Exchange rates fluctuate based on which currency is stronger at the moment. Okay, so you need to understand also that the way currency pairs exist or the way currency pairs fluctuate is actually based on the strength or the weakness of one of the currency pairs. One has to be strong and one has to be weak. So let's look at types of currency pairs. There are basically three types of currency pairs I'd like you to learn about. Number one, they are called the major pairs. Number two, they are called the minor pairs. And number three is the exotic pair. Okay, now major currencies are actually listed below. So what are these major currencies? Major currencies are those currencies that carry the dollar on one side and are most frequently traded. The majors are the most liquid and widely traded currency pairs in the world. Wow, that's amazing. So the majors are the most liquid and widely traded currency pairs in the world. This is why if you are a startup or if you're a beginner starting out in the foreign exchange industry, it's safe to focus on trading the majors because they are the most widely traded currencies in the world. Okay, so let's take a look at a list of these major currencies. Okay, so these are a list of these major currencies. The major currencies. We can see starting with the euro dollar or the euro USD. Okay, the euro USD, the USD JPY, the GBP USD, USD CHF, USD CAD, AUD USD, and the NZD USD. Now each of these pairs you see are actually abbreviations of the states that they represent or the countries that they represent. So when you see euro/USD, what this represents is actually the Eurozone/the United States. So and the nickname is actually euro dollar. When you see USD/JPY, what this means is the United States dollar paired with the Japanese yen. So and the nickname is called the dollar yen. When you see GBP/USD, it's actually the United Kingdom paired with the United States, and the nickname is pound dollar. When you see USD/CHF, it's the United States paired with Switzerland, and the nickname is dollar Swizzy. When you see USD paired with CAD or CAD, it's actually the United States paired with the Canadian dollar, and the nickname is the dollar loonie. When you see the AUD paired with the USD, it's actually the Australian dollar paired with the United States dollar, and the nickname is Aussie dollar. When you see the NZD paired with the USD, it's actually the New Zealand dollar paired with the United States dollar, and the nickname is Kiwi dollar. Okay guys, so let's quickly look at an example of minor currencies. Minor currencies are those currency pairs that do not contain the dollar on one side and are known as cross currency pairs, or simply the crosses. That's another name for minors. They are also called the crosses. Major crosses are also known as minors. The most actively traded crosses are derived from the three major non-dollar currencies: Euro, JPY, and GBP. These are the most actively traded crosses. So what we are saying here is that the most actively traded crosses are actually a derivative of either the Euro, the JPY, and the GBP. They are non-dollar currencies, and when currencies do not carry a dollar, they are actually called the minor currencies. Typical example is when you have the Euro paired with the CHF. This is literally the Eurozone paired with the Switzerland. This is Euro Swissy. This is a minor currency. So when you have the Euro paired with the GBP, this is Eurozone paired with the United Kingdom, and the nickname is Euro Pound. You see Euro Card, the nickname Euro Loonie. The Euro AUD, the nickname Euro Aussie. Euro NZD, the nickname is Euro Kiwi. So these are examples of minor currencies. You have to get this right. Okay, what I'm teaching you is a systematic method of trading the foreign exchange market like a professional. I don't just want you to trade the market without knowing what you are doing. I want you to have a detailed knowledge of what you are doing as a trader, a professional trader. Okay, so let's proceed. We have yen crosses. That is when you have, remember I gave you an example earlier. I said that the most actively traded crosses are a derivative of three non-major currencies, either Euro or yen or GBP. So the first one we looked at were examples of currencies that, or minors, that are a derivative of the Euro. So you can see Euro CHF, Euro GBP, Euro CAD, Euro AUD, Euro NZD. All these are derivative of the Euro. Okay, these are minors derived from the Euro. So the next is yen cross currencies. So you have currencies like the Euro JPY, GBP JPY, CHF JPY, CAD JPY, or AUD JPY, or NZD JPY. The nicknames, you can see them by the right side of the screen. So you can literally pause this video and study it yourself. These are examples of yen cross currencies or yen crosses. They are also minor currencies. Then the last is the currencies that are a derivative of the GBP, and then we can see the pound crosses. They are GBP CHF, GBP AUD, GBP CAD, and GBP NZD. These also are crosses or minor currencies. Okay, and the last are other cross currencies or cross pair, other crosses. Okay, so these are AUD CHF, AUD CAD, AUD NZD, CAD CHF, NZD CHF, or NZD CAD. These are not a derivative of either the Euro, the pound, or the yen, but they are also crosses. Okay, they are minor currencies. So guys, these are the examples of both the major and minor currencies. And the last is exotic pairs. Remember, it's the last. We said there are three. The last is actually exotic pairs, and they are currencies made up of one major currency paired with the currency of an emerging economy, such as Brazil, Mexico, or Hungary. So any of these currencies paired with the dollar is, or paired with a major currency, gives us what we call an exotic pair. For example, when you have USD paired with Hong Kong, this is actually an exotic currency because Hong Kong is an emerging economy. Okay, so when you have the USD paired with Singapore, the South African rand, Thailand, Mexico, Denmark, Sweden, and Norway, all these are examples of exotic pairs. Okay, exotic pairs usually usually exotic pairs usually have a high level of liquidity from what I've seen in the markets, high level of volatility. When you want to trade those type of pairs, then you must have enough equity and precision to be able to survive trading exotic currencies. Okay, so we are looking at base currency and code currency. So what is a base currency? A base currency is actually the first currency in any currency pair. Remember that I mentioned currencies only exist when they are paired together for transactions to be smooth and suitable. Okay, so the first currency of a currency pair is actually called the base currency. Example, when USD is paired with CHF, this first currency, which is the USD, is actually the base currency. So for example, if USD CHF rate equals 1.6350, what this means is that 1 USD is worth 1.6350 of CHF. Okay, this is what it literally means. Then the code currency is the second currency in any currency pair. It's frequently called the PIP currency, and any unrealized profit or losses is expressed in this currency, which is the code currency. So like you can see here, the USD JPY, the USD is the base currency, the JPY is the code currency. An important thing to note is that the base currency is always stronger than the code currency. You have to take note of this. When you have Euro USD, remember we said if Euro USD equals 1.4000, then the value of 1 unit of Euro is actually equal 1.4000 USD. This is what this literally means. The base currency is always greater than the code currencies. Something you should take note of. So guys, I think this is the end of today's lesson. If you found value on this video, I'd like you to click the like button, share and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to turn up your notifications so that you will see the next video I'm going to upload on this channel. Until next time, I wish you good luck, good trade.